Apple has done it again. The brand new AirPods Pro 3 are finally here, and after 3 months of testing, one thing is clear. These are the most advanced, feature-packed AirPods we've ever seen. With a sleeker design, richer sound, upgraded noise cancellation, personalized audio profiles, health tracking, and even longer battery life, Apple has pushed wireless earbuds into the future. But at $299, are they really worth the upgrade, and do they finally deliver the perfect AirPods experience? Let's take a first look at the AirPods Pro 3 and break down all the huge new features you need to know about. When Apple first unveiled the AirPods in 2016, the tech world didn't know what to expect. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The unusual stem design, the wireless concept, and Apple's ambitious vision for the future of audio were met with both excitement and skepticism. Yet, in a matter of months, AirPods completely transformed the earbud industry, creating a standard that nearly every company would rush to follow. Then came the AirPods Pro in 2019, which brought active noise cancellation, customizable fit, and superior sound in a portable package. Later, the AirPods Pro 2 pushed the boundaries with Apple's H2 chip, improved ANC, and better battery life. But now, in 2025, Apple has once again raised the bar with the AirPods Pro 3, a device that is already being described as the most advanced and feature-packed earbuds Apple has ever made. After 3 months of real-world use, countless tests across different environments, and side-by-side comparisons with rivals like the Sony WF-1000XM5, Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra, and Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, the verdict is clear. The AirPods Pro 3 are an enormous step forward. They combine refined design with futuristic technology, bringing new levels of performance, comfort, and intelligence that redefine what wireless earbuds can do. And while they are not flawless, they represent Apple's most ambitious attempt to date at blending audio excellence with wearable intelligence. The first thing you notice about the AirPods Pro 3 is the design refinement. At first glance, they look similar to the AirPods Pro 2, but subtle changes make a world of difference. The stems are slightly shorter, giving them a sleeker profile, and the ear tips now come in 4 sizes rather than 3, ensuring a more universal fit. Apple has also introduced an adaptive venting system that automatically balances pressure inside your ears, reducing fatigue during long listening sessions. The result is earbuds that not only fit better but also feel lighter and more natural, almost as if you're not wearing them at all. For those who wear AirPods for hours every day, this change is more significant than it may sound. The charging case has also seen improvements. Apple has kept the familiar design but added a new matte finish that resists scratches and fingerprints much better than the glossy shell of previous models. A built-in speaker now delivers clearer tones for Find My alerts, and the case supports USB-C charging, aligning with Apple's transition away from Lightning. For convenience, it also charges wirelessly via MagSafe and Qi 2, meaning it's more versatile than ever. The battery inside the case is slightly larger too, extending total listening time to around 36 hours, compared to 30 hours with the AirPods Pro 2. In daily use, this means fewer trips to the charger and more time enjoying music. Of course, the star of the show is audio performance, and this is where Apple has made some of the biggest strides. Powered by the new H3 chip and a custom-designed